Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited that you stopped by. I am super excited about this video. This is a whole house clean with me. It is not a super deep clean. This is a Friday night, and the following morning we were going to go to Atlanta to visit my parents. So I just wanted to make sure that the whole house was picked up and cleaned up and everything in its place, so that way Sunday I didn't have to come back to a big mess. I'm excited about this video because I tried different angles in almost every room that I cleaned this day. So I'm kind of excited to kind of put it out there and see if you guys have opinions about them. But yeah, I kind of like what I did here. Also, I will be decorating for Valentine, and I don't have a lot of decorations. I did not have any luck this year with finding decorations for Valentine's, but I did put up what I did find. And then since I had gone to Atlanta, I went and visited my Targets there, and I did find a few more things, so I will share that with you guys in another video. But like I said, this is just cleaning over the surfaces, wiping down a few things, and I will also be sharing with you some Dollar Tree products as well. I have been trying them. My last cleaning video, I think I mentioned that I've been trying several products that I think might work, and they've been working pretty good, you guys. And I think I mentioned this as well. I am not changing my cleaning products. I'm just testing them out for you guys and reviewing them for you. But in this one, I do their version of the magic eraser, a duster. I also used the window foam cleaner, and I think there was one more thing, you guys, but I forget. Oh, and their wipes. So stay tuned for that, you guys. Alright, as you can see, I sprayed that foam window cleaner, and guys, I really love the way that the stuff works. I am a Windex person. I love Windex, but that did the trick. So if I'm out of Windex one day, I can either use this, run to a dollar store. I mean, it's $1, you guys. I paid $4 for my bottle of Windex, and yeah, I really like the way that stuff works. Here is their duster. I just bought this just because I do have different types of dusters, but I wanted to try this one, and you guys, this one worked pretty good. I like the way everything came off. I had like little cobwebs on the corner of like the window there, and yeah, it's perfect. I love it. I think it's very useful. And the wipes here, okay, so my complaint about the wipes are they are really thin, so I have to triple layer them, but they still get the job done, and they leave everything clean and shiny. But there's only 24 in them, I believe, and like I said, I have to use 3 at a time, so that kind of defeats maybe the purpose of being $1. I don't know, but they still do work. And here in my son's room, I didn't have to do very much. He just had to pick up some clothes that he had on the floor, and then I just kind of just made his bed, and then picked up everything else that was around it and vacuumed, and that was it for this room. Like I said, this was just a simple picking up around the house and making sure that everything was in its place. Alright guys, this is my son's wall over by his nightstand, his lamp area, and I did notice these marks on his wall, so I decided to try Dollar Tree's version of the magic eraser, and it did not work. So I tried it dry, and then I tried it wet. And it did not work. All it did was just kind of remove the paint a little bit and then like leave a stain. But I will be honest, I do have the magic erasers, but I didn't go back. I should have done that. I should have grabbed our magic eraser and see if that one worked, but I didn't, and I regret doing that. But this did not work on the walls, but I did try it in the hallway. My stepdaughter has one of those, I don't know what you call those hoverboards, or however they call them. And she made marks going through the hallway. Now, I will say that the magic eraser, or their version, their quick eraser, did work on this. Maybe it's just the material, but it did definitely take off all the scuffs off the base, but definitely not the walls. So this is still an iffy one, you guys. Alright guys, and here I am just changing out or swapping out the pillow covers I originally had, and I purchased these pillow covers on Amazon. I will link them down below. I am thinking of keeping the 2 bigger ones because they are a blush pink color, and I think that's the kind of the color I wanted to go with. I didn't want any reds for Valentine. I was just kind of sick and tired of the red because of Christmas. But when I ordered these, they look pink on Amazon, but there's some pops of red on these pillows, and I'm okay with that. It's not too bad. But the two bigger ones, they're 20 by 20, and they said to order just a size up just in case. And the 20, I ordered 24 by 24, and it's super big, but I still like the colors, so I think I'm keeping those for like out on my everyday decor. And here, you guys, these are now everything that's on top of the mantle I made myself, and I am in love with those roses with the glass jar. I have a video of that. I'll link that down below too, how I made those. And they literally cost me $6 a piece, and I've seen those at Home Goods for like $30 a piece. I love it. That's like my favorite DIY. And then I just went ahead and decorated the TV, the entertainment area. Didn't do very much. Like I said, this is just very, very minimal.
Times get rough, I try to tell you we need a fight in every way. No hugs, no kisses could protect us from what the future had in store. Love is a flicker in the distance. Oh, you try to grab it and it's gone. Won't you sing to me? There ain't no other way but just sing to me. Simple as I say. Won't you sing to me?
Guys, I love the Method wood cleaner. It smells delicious. I love using this stuff on my table. I love the way it smells. But here I decided to go my table runner. I got that at Home Goods. It's a Kate Spade table runner. It is pink flamingos. I could not for the life of me find a table runner anywhere. Target, Home Goods, TJ Maxx, and no one had anything in stock that I really liked. So I just decided to use what I already had. And I don't show it now. I will show it afterwards, but I do swap out those baby's breath. I think they're called baby's breath that I have in the middle of the table with some pink roses. Just to make it look more Valentine Day-ish. All right, guys, and in the kitchen here, all I had to do was put up just all the stuff that was already washed. Now, here is this thing with the kitchen. Yesterday, we changed out our sink. We swapped out that white sink. It was a very heavy sink, by the way. It is porcelain. We swapped it out for a black one. We are going to change out our appliances, not all at once, just because of budget reasons. The stove itself that we're wanting is about $1,600 or $1,800 depending, just because we don't have a hood over the stove. We have to have our stovetop has like the vent in the middle, and then right there between the dishwasher and the ice maker, it is a trash compactor. I am wanting my husband to pull that out and install just a cabinet with pull-out drawers or however, just to give us more space. It does look like we have a lot of cabinet space, but you guys, we have so much in those drawers. So that is another thing that I'm doing on my channel, is a decluttering. I will be decluttering anything in any of my cleaning videos, whether it be a drawer, whether it be a spot, whether it be a room. I am going to be getting rid of a lot. I am trying to minimalize what we have. Just because I feel like when you have too much, you just get so overwhelmed. But that is pretty much the plan, especially in this kitchen, and that is what I'm working on now. So I think going forward, I am not going to be filming in the kitchen anymore. I haven't decided, only because I do want to do a before and after. So I don't know if I will be filming in the kitchen, or if I'm going to wait until the backsplash is done and then maybe hold off on the stove. I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but I am definitely going to show you the before and after, because you guys, I mean, it wasn't hard to take out the sink. My husband, it didn't take him very long. But yes, so I haven't decided what I'm going to do as far as the kitchen is concerned. But you guys, look at that angle. I think those angles work pretty well in the kitchen. I feel like you're able to see a little bit more. I don't know, maybe it's just me. But in the kitchen, I didn't do very much. Like I said, I didn't have that much Valentine decorations, but I did find the cake stand that I wanted at the Target dollar spot. Oh, and that is my candle that I broke, my Martha Stewart candle. I will not let that go, you guys, because that thing smells amazing. It's white pumpkin, and I just love the way it smells. But I did find these spatulas at the Target dollar spot. I think it says XOXO, and I forget what the other one says. But I love them. I think they look super cute. So I bought those, and I put them in my little utensil holder. And here I'm swapping out the baby's breaths for these pink roses, and these are just Dollar Tree roses, you guys. They're not real, they're fake, but I just think it looks a little bit more festive. Alright, and now on to my bedroom. So here I didn't have a lot to do. Like I said, I wasn't changing any sheets. I will be doing that sometime this week. So I just kind of picked up really quick before my husband got home because he was still at work. And then after this, I think I go into the bathroom. You guys, I was tired at the end of the night. I really, even though I didn't do like a deep clean, it still took me a while just because I was very thorough, especially in the kids' bathroom. I did wipe down their window with the duster, and then their mirror and just their sink. So I did a little extra in their bathroom, but I was pretty tired at the end of the night, you guys.
When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around.
You guys, I cannot wait to get rid of that glass table we have. It just bothers me so much. And what I just did here, I just put those gift bags under my mattress, just because I feel like and I had tissue paper there as well. I feel like that just keeps them nice and flat versus me folding the tissue paper up. And I just literally just thought about that on the spot. I remember my mom used to do that, so I had nowhere to put those items. So I'm like, oh, let me just put it under my mattress.
So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love?
Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new, do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below. I would love to have you. And guys, I hope that this video gave you motivation to tackle your house, a space, a room, whatever it may be, declutter something. I definitely know that when I watch all these cleaning videos from all my favorite YouTubers, it gets me in the mood to declutter and clean and just tackle something that I've been just procrastinating on. And that's exactly what I'm going to do right now. After I finish this, I'm going to get up and go hit up that kitchen. So I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
The open skies. Come now, come listen to the melody. Slow it down.